Hanging heavy pictures or mirrors on drywall can be incredibly challenging. In this video, I'm going to share 3 ways that I use consistently with great success to overcome those challenges. Let's get right to it. Method number 1 is the best method to use, and that is to hang your heavy item in a wall stud. Now, if you don't know how to find a wall stud, I'll include links to several videos we've created to help you in that regard in the description below. But once you find the wall stud, you literally just have to put your hardware in the stud, hang the item on the hardware. The studs give you the strength and the reinforcement that you need to hold that heavy item for a very, very long time. But we don't always have a stud in the area of the wall where we want to hang that item, do we? Now, method number 2 is the one that I use the most around the house, and that is the drywall anchor. Drywall anchors work very well when you don't have a stud behind the wall, and they come in different ratings. These are rated for up to 50 pounds, but you can get them in various different weight ratings, 30 pounds, 75 pounds, it's all over the map. The point is, weigh the item that you're gonna hang on the wall and then get the right drywall anchor. Truth be told, I always go for the one that says more weight, even though I know I don't need it. Why? I just want to make sure I have something solid going into the drywall. To get the drywall anchor started in the wall, I actually make a dimple with the Phillips bit on my screwdriver, and then I get the tip of it started in the wall. Otherwise, I've broken a bunch of these off. You can see what it looks like as it goes through the back of the wall, but you want to get this screwed in and make it flush to the wall. Go ahead and take your screw and screw it right in. Now, the magic happens behind the wall when it snaps and adds more pressure on the drywall. Now, you can also get a little bit creative with these drywall anchors. There have been times where I've put 2 right next to each other, especially when I have something heavy that has a long wire behind it. That helps me balance it a little bit better and keep it straight on the wall versus constantly getting crooked. So you can do that as well. Get creative. Now, if you've had issues using drywall anchors, please leave some comments down below the video, and actually, that's why we created this channel. We are really passionate about creating a community of DIYers who are trying to improve their skills in home repair and home improvement. This year, we're really trying to reach out to 1,000 subscribers and interact on a daily basis to help each other improve those skills. So hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get to option number 3 for those extremely heavy items. This option kind of looks like option number 2, but it operates very differently. You saw how the drywall anchor works behind the wall. Well, let me introduce you to the drywall toggle anchor. This baby can handle up to 100 pounds, and these, just like regular drywall anchors, are rated at different weights, but they operate totally different. So let's get one in the wall and I'll show you how it works. The magic is in the toggle, this bar that sticks out. Once you get it into the wall, it's going to come out and add more pressure to the wall. We get it into the wall just like we do the drywall anchor with the little dimple, and then we start to screw it in. When it goes into the wall, it will fit nice and firm, but you take this long bolt that comes with it and screw it in. Behind the wall, you'll see the toggle pull tight against the drywall. Now, with options 2 and 3, you need to make sure that you test them before you put the heavy item on. You don't want your mirror to break or your picture, right? So just put a little pressure down on that screw and make sure that it's in the wall securely before you hang your item. Until the next time, keep doing it yourself.